Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will be seeing how we can use SonarQube with Maven integration to check our Java software's quality. So to begin with the tutorial, we need Java 17 installed, JDK 17. Make sure the version is specifically JDK 17 as SonarQube does not work properly with the earlier and the later versions. So just come down to Windows x64 installer and download it. After downloading, install it. Okay. As I've already downloaded it in my system, I won't download it again. So after downloading it, you need to cross verify if it is there in your path. So just click on the start button, type edit the system environment variables. After doing so, you need to come down to path over here under system variables. You need to come down to path and you need to check Java 17 is there or not. Okay. And one more thing you need to check is that other versions are not installed. If they are installed, you need to remove them. So for example, over here I have added JDK 23 as well, but for this tutorial I have removed it from my path. So just come down to program files. You need to come down to Java JDK 17. So as you can see, JDK 23 also is there, but here it was added. I have removed it by clicking on remove delete. So here and I've added JDK 17. Come down to JDK 17 bin and click on OK. As I've already added it, I've clicked on OK. So fine, just click on OK. Now if that much is done, I need to check if Java 17 is being recognized or not. So just click on Java --version. So as you can see, Java 17. So this is correct. Now we would need SonarQube. I'll just search for SonarQube over here. Click on download. So SonarQube checks the quality of our software. Okay, just click on community build, download for free, download only, and click on download. Okay, as I've already downloaded it, I won't download it again. Same thing you need to do for Apache Maven. So what Maven does is it actually is an automation type of software and integrates. It also integrates different types of software for different things. So you need to go down to source zip archive, okay, and download it from there. Okay, after downloading that, we need to extract these two files, right? So for that we would need 7-zip. So do the same, open a new browser tab, click on search for 7-zip and click on download and install that software. After installing, you will be able to extract a file. Okay, so just click on 7-zip, click on extract here and let the file be extracted. As this is quite a huge file, it will take some time to extract. So as you can see, our SonarQube file has been extracted. So what you need to do is you need to open this SonarQube and run the file. Okay, to run it, go down to bin, Windows x86 64, library, lib, and you need to click on find_Java. What this will do is it will check where your Java 17 file is. Okay, then go back. Now in the address bar, type cmd. Okay, after typing that, click on type start sonar.bat. So for this tutorial, I won't be pausing the video for if any errors occurs, so that it will help you troubleshoot any problems that I face, so that you will be able to know what the issue is and how to resolve it. So this is going to take a lot of time to run, so I'll just leave it be. Okay, That actually took a lot of time. It took, I think, 5 to 10 minutes. It depends upon your system's performance. Okay. It's still actually running. It has not completed yet. So you need to wait for some time. Okay. Yes. Now once you get this message called SonarQube is operational, this means that now you will be able to use your local host. So local host colon 9000. Why 9000? Because if you can see over here, it will be specified. Okay, 9001. So it will be using that port. Usually for SonarQube it's always 9000. Okay. Now you will get this option to log in to SonarQube. So the first time you will be logging in, right? The password, the username will be admin as well as the password. Okay. So it's admin and admin. Click on login. So now it will ask you to create a new password, as this is the first time logging in, right? So the old password will be admin, and the new password can just give something simple like hello world 12 or something like that. Very simple. Okay, make sure you remember it. Click on update. Okay, now this much is done. Now what we need to do is, you need to go into administration, come down to configuration to security. Okay, and you need to disable force user authentication, and you need to click on save. Okay, what I did was I went to administration, came down, security, disabled force user authentication. Okay, and I will come down to security now, go to global permissions, and I will enable all these check boxes. This isn't necessary, but it's good to not have any issues, right, in the later stages. Okay, now this much is done, right? Okay, now we can just minimize from our browser. We can minimize this as well. Now we can open Eclipse. So why we'll be using Eclipse? Eclipse will be used for creating our Java program, right? So let it open. Okay, I'll just launch it onto my desktop itself. Keep in mind, while using the college's computers, just keep it organized. Okay, just keep it in one folder. Okay, as this is my personal system, I'll just keep all the folders in the desktop itself to have a clear understanding. But in the systems, college systems, just create it in a D drive or other drives. Okay. Okay, the Eclipse program has opened. So what I'll do is, I have to create a Maven file over here, right? Maven project. So yeah, create a Maven project. I'll create a simple project. Okay, I'll just check this. Click on next. Group ID will be example. And the artifact will be org.example. You can just give anything. I'll just keep this to keep it simple. Okay. Okay. Here, some of the systems have a problem. The Maven project does not get created successfully. Okay. So it's a very simple fix to 99. There's a 99% chance that the issue will be fixed. 90% chance. Just right click over here on the Maven project folder, come down to Maven, click on update project. Okay, or you can just click on Alt F5 also, it's a shortcut, and click on OK. Fine, you just get updating Maven project and building. So there is a 90% chance that the issue which you are facing will be fixed. But if it is not fixed, what you can do is you can install the latest version of Eclipse IDE and uninstall this version. Okay. So now I'll come down to this folder. What I need to do is I need to create two Java files. Okay. One calculation.java, another will be test classes.java. So calculation.java should be created under source/main/java. So I'll just click on this, right click, new class. I'll keep the name as calculation. Okay, let the package be org.example. Click on finish. Okay, now what I will do is I'll just paste the code which I've already typed it. Also keep in mind that I have pasted all the detailed steps in a document format in the description, so kindly check it out. Okay, so now we have created a calculation.java. We'll just quickly save it. Now we need to click the test, we need to create a test class.java, right? So that should be created under source test java. So right click, new class. Okay, here as we have gone to source test java, the package should be default. Okay, so I'll just leave it, backspace that, and the name should be, or it's your wish, you can keep anything you like. Just keep test class and click on finish. Okay, now I'll just paste in the code. It will be there in the description. So here you'll be facing few issues, errors, that you can just leave it for now, as we have not edited the XML file. This issue will be shown. Okay, so just for now we'll save it. We'll save the calculation file as well. Okay, now we'll open this XML file, pom.xml. okay, and what we are going to do is I will paste in I will backspace the current configuration and paste in the configuration which I have set. Okay, this will also be provided in the description, kindly check it out. Okay, and I'll click on save. I'll just save it. Now just for a quick validation, just right click on the XML file, click on validate. This step is optional. Okay, so I'll just show you the validation completed with no errors. Okay, now we have completed creating the Java files, we have completed editing the XML file. Now what we need to do is we need to build this project using our Apache Maven. So before we can build it, we need to add Apache Maven to our environment path. So I'll again go back to our edit environment variables. What I'm going to do is open this Apache Maven folder, go into bin, make sure you have to extract this. Okay, you need to extract Apache Maven. Okay, go into bin, copy the path, I'll copy it, minimize, open path, new, and paste it. Okay, I'll just move it up. Okay, click on OK, click on OK. Now open the org.xml. This is the folder containing our source files. Okay, the XML file, the test class file, and the calculation file. Okay, so I've opened that. I'll open cmd within this directory. Now I have to build our project, right? So I'll type mvn clean install sonar : sonar. Okay, I'll wait for this to install. So as you can see, this is our last step of our tutorial. So if this completes, it's all well and good. Okay, so it will take some time to run. I won't pause the video as there is a high chance of errors coming over here. So your code will be tested, your XML file will be checked. So all of those things need to be done properly, right? If you want, you can fast forward this part. Okay. As you can see, I have found a few warnings but no errors. So I've gotten the message called build success. Okay. Now what I will do is I'll open my SonarQube localhost and go to projects, wait for it to load. So as you can see, there is an org.example project, right? I'll wait for it to load. Okay. I'll come down to issues. There are no issues over here. Yeah, as you can see, you can see a few metrics, right? A and A. Why is this A? Because there are no security flaws. There is the program is reliable, but there is one maintainability issue. Okay, so to just check that out. So as you can see, the quality has been passed. Okay, this indicates that my software is correctly running and there are no issues. But in maintainability, there is one issue. Let me check that out. So as you can see, move this file to a named package. There is one issue like this. Okay, maybe because this test class is there, right? This is in the default folder. That is why it is asking for me to keep it in a named package. So if you get this type of output, this indicates that you have completed all the steps correctly and you have successfully executed integrating SonarQube with your project. So if you follow the exact same steps, you will be able to get the same output. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.